What's the meaning of career? Career. Career.
Career. Career. Career refers to an individual's professional journey or the course of their working life. It encompasses the jobs, positions, and roles that one holds throughout their career, along with the skills, experiences, and achievements gained over time. A successful career is typically seen as the attainment of personal and professional goals, such as financial stability, job satisfaction, respect within one's field, and the ability to make a positive impact on society. Ultimately, one's career can have a significant impact on their overall sense of fulfillment, purpose, and happiness in life.